Are you interested in making a Cornish hen in the air fryer? Now we're going to need to make some seasonings to go with this. But let's see how this turns out, shall we? I've never made this, so it's going to be an experiment. For our seasoning mix, we're going to need a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. This is for about 2 of them. Gonna need a teaspoon of paprika, does not want to come out. Gonna need a teaspoon of kosher salt. I have regular salt, so I won't use as much. Just under a teaspoon for that. Need half a cup of black pepper. Or half a teaspoon of black pepper. Why did I get half a cup? I don't know. So we're going to mix this up. With the fork. It doesn't look like a lot, but these Cornish hens are really small. That looks good. Okay, so what we're going to do here, there we go. So we're going to want to pat this dry, which means I'm going to need a different plate because there's blood on there. So it's not really going to dry. And now we're going to want to add some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of this. We're going to massage this all over and the inside of the cavity. You are not helping, girl. Angel's trying to help me. Well. This is where we get our seasoning. We'll start putting our seasoning on. I didn't find any of the gizzards in here. Since there was some, but I didn't find them in there. So make sure that you check your bird or your thing. There's many different ways to cook it at different temperatures. What I'm finding is we're going to cook it at 375 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we flip it. $23.75. Whoops. Now preheat. So once our air fryer is preheated, we're going to want to put this in breast side down, as so, and let it go. After 20 minutes, this is how it's going to come looking out. But we need to flip it. Look how golden brown that is. Yowzers! Now we need to cook it for another 10 minutes. This is what it's going to come out like when it's done cooking after the full 30 minutes. But we need to check it. We are looking for 165 in the thickest part. 165. Good. I hope this helps. We're going to let this rest for 10 minutes before cutting it up.